Okay, so about 8 months ago, I reviewed this speaker right here. This is the Cyber Shell from Muzen. I really was attracted to the speaker simply because of how different it looked. I reviewed my fair share of speakers on this channel and they pretty much look all the same. They might be a different color, they might be a little bit different shape, but overall, they've been pretty bland when it comes to being innovative and changing up the design, the look, and everything like that. Muzen has gone out its way to actually specialize in those types of speakers. So this video is not about the Cyber Shell. It's actually about this Muzen Cybercube right here. Muzen, they reached out to me, asked me to review this about a month or two ago. I am very late on this video and I apologize for that. But you know what? We're here now, so let's go ahead. Roll the intro. Let's get into this Muzen Cybercube portable speaker.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. On the back side of this box, you will see it says Muzen Cybercube portable Bluetooth speaker. You have your model number, your input, your battery, which is 1000 milliamp hours, manufacturer, and then also you do have their website and you get some more information right here. Now on the inside of the box, which you will get, removing this clear plastic right here, you do have your Muzen portable speaker right here. Very, very small and compact. We'll get into that in a little bit. Underneath all of that, you do have your user manual, and our user manual is very useful until you get used to the buttons and how they're set up on here, but I'll get into that in a little bit. And then also you do have your charging cable. So the charging cable that comes with this is a USB type A to USB type C, and I will get into the ports and everything about this speaker here in a little bit. You can go ahead and pick this speaker up at the Muzen website or on Amazon. I do recommend that you do pick this up on the Muzen site. I have the links in the description down below because it's around $30 to $40 cheaper depending on what version you get. So speaking about the different versions, you do have a standard version and you also have a premium version. This is your premium version right here, and they both come in two different colors. You have it in a white and in a gray. Now the difference between the standard and the premium version is only this little fidget spinner on the front side right here. Now for pricing, on Amazon, it costs you around $160 for this premium version and then $130 for the standard version. If you go to the Muzen website, you can pick this premium version up for $120 and the standard version up for around $100. And like I said before, I have all links in the description down below. This does have Bluetooth 5.0 in here, IPX5 rated, and the battery hour, like I said earlier, is around 100 milliamp hours. Now, I couldn't find how long it would take to charge this battery up, but you do have a USB type C port on the side, so it will speed up with charging times. And I did find that the battery life on this speaker should be good for around 8 hours on the standard and the premium version, but I guess that all depends on if you have the light going on the front side and also the level which you play your music at. So now let me go and talk about what all the buttons do on here, and I will have to use my user manual because there are 10 different items, I believe 9 or 10 different items. So on the top of the speaker, you do have your Bluetooth indicator and your flashlight window. You do have this light effects button. If you hold it for a long press, it will turn your light on and off. Now circling around to the front side, you have your power switch and your flashlight control. If you hold the power switch down for around 2 seconds, it'll turn it. Or if it's on and you want to turn it off, you hold the power switch down again for around 2 to 3 seconds and it'll turn it off. So the black wheel to the right of the speaker is the track switch. On the left side, you have your volume knob. On the front side, underneath the fidget spinner is where your speaker would be. You have your light effect ring on the outside of that speaker. You have a strap hole on the top side of it. And then you also have your charging port on the right side. Okay, so now that I went over all the knobs, switches, buttons, whatever, everything on this speaker, let me go ahead and pair this to my mobile device right here and actually let you hear how this sounds. Okay, so now that I have this hooked up to a mobile device right here, I'm going to go ahead and use the Epidemic Sound app and play some tracks on here. So let me go ahead and play this one right here. And this is at 50%. Mind you, my microphone is literally right here. So as the beat kicks on, I'm going to turn this up, see if this even knocks. I mean, it is like a little portable speaker right here, so don't expect too much out of it. Just that it doesn't sound bad. Okay, so that's around 30%. Let me go ahead and turn it all the way up to 50. So that's around 50% right there. It's not bad. And then this is 100%. So that's exactly how it sounds, people. I mean, it's not the best sounding speaker, but I think they're going more for a certain type of look. It will get the job done, but don't expect it to be like the most mind-blowing sound that you've ever heard come out of a speaker. I do like this speaker. I like what this company is doing in just marking their own path, trailblazing their own path inside of the speaker game, not being caught up in just actually stepping outside of the box and designing something special. Now, would I pay $120 for it? I'm not sure. Maybe I'll buy something this size, but when it comes to this smaller speaker right here, me personally, for what I like to do, what kind of speaker I like to carry around with me while I'm outside, this might not be it. But you never know. I might change my mind one day and this just might happen to be in my bag, something to use. Just go ahead, hook it up to my mobile device, get some music playing out of here. And that's all I got for you people. That is my full unboxing and first impressions of this speaker right here. If this is something that you're interested in, go ahead, head over to the Muzen website. They also have other speakers, like I said earlier. This Cyber Shell was something that I already reviewed as well from Muzen, and this speaker actually thumps. It has a bass and everything. You set this up, truly wireless sound. So depending on what you like, this might not be your cup of tea, but they might have something else that you might like. So go ahead, head over to the Muzen website and pick out a new speaker. And that's all I got for you people. As always, if this is your first time here or if you found any value in this video whatsoever, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas and I'm out. Peace.